So what has come?
Game cards. Game cards.
Show.
This is the animals and these are the fruits. How much are there in one?
So this is like what? क्या है ये?
ये है तो ये ना क्या है बोलता हूँ मैं हाँ
क्या है?
ये है कार्ड जो हमको गेस करना है और यहाँ पर क्वेश्चंस होता है और हमको ये फूड या एनिमल गेस करना है.
चलो एक ओपन करके दिखाओ.
मुझे नाइफ दो तो. अब पहले हमको ये होता है ये तो मुझे पता नहीं और ये भी हमारे पास है. अब ये कैसे खोलता है?
पिछला को हाथ को क्या हुआ? फिंगर में
फ्रैक्चर हो गया.
फिंगर में स्प्रेन हो गया. इट्स नॉट फ्रैक्चर.
और ये है क्लू कार्ड. इसमें क्लू है.
नहीं, दिस इज व्हाट यू गेट इफ यू आंसर करेक्टली.
राइट करेक्ट यू कैन गेट दिस. नहीं तुमको आंसर नहीं पता होता है ना
एंड देन यू वांट
तो क्लू देते हैं.
ओके.
और इसको हम सब निकाल देते हैं. हाँ
You guys have to guess.
I'll take Machhan. I have the longest lifespan amongst all land animals. Slow and steady wins the race. Turtle. No.
No, it's not a turtle.
Lion.
Oh no.
Hurry, shut up the rabbit.
Same thing. Oh.
Yeah, same thing. Okay.
It's a tortoise. Okay.
Okay, I'll take.
No, you keep this in on your side, Mother. Acha.
Yeah.
Hey, keep one down. This guy.
ये
Look at him.
यहाँ रखते हैं. ठीक है. अब क्या खा रहा है तू?
Next is Mishela.
My tongue weighs as much as an elephant. I breathe through a blowhole. You breathe through a what? Blowhole.
Blowhole. Huh? Got again. Even I was thinking blue whale only. Got again. Very good.
Tomorrow turn.
I think
I grow wool to protect myself. Sheep.
it's quite easy, huh? Welcome back to my vlog. And after so many days, I got the opportunity. To go out with my kids. Okay, so today is Saturday. I thought let's go out, है ना. मैं भी घर में बहुत बैठ गई बहुत, इसलिए I've just come out. Okay. आज का वेदर भी बहुत अच्छा है. Okay.
And I'm not dumb. I said them.
So this is how it is. आज का चौरस्ता का व्यू. Huh?
Ice cream.
Let's have. मंकी और कुत्ते का लड़ाई हो रहा है. English. Listen. La. Big rivalry. Yeah, वो चिरा रहा है ना. Oh, look at this. ये शो ही चल रहा है पूरा. तो ये monkeys ने पूरा शो दिखा रखा था. And everyone is enjoying, huh? I'll show you. Yeah. तो ये सब spectators है.
Baby monkey. You want me to get it? Okay. But the parents
सब लोग अभी देख रहे थे ना.
I would kick it. Baby monkey is showing the bomb. Baby monkey is not afraid also.
Hey, you guys enjoyed the show.
Yeah, very much. Black one is the bravest.
Let's
The black one is the bravest. Mama, monkeys can bite dogs. Yeah.
Of course.
They can slap also.
La, why this guy is giving now? ये देखिए. I love चौरास्ता सच में यार. क्या सुकून मिलता है इधर वॉक करने से ना. और इनको तो बस यही चाहिए. Space. No, don't do all that. इन्हें चिना हासेंगे क्यों गमेता हैं? एंड इधर भी कंस्ट्रक्शन चल ही रहा है. यहाँ जो पहले हमारा ये चौरास्ता का शॉप हुआ करता था ना, तो वो बन रहा है. सो आई थिंक इट्स ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीटेड. तो ये कंप्लीट होगा तो ये भी देखने को मिलेगा हमको ना, नया कैसा बना है. व्हाट वी तो आज है सैटरडे, तो इसलिए हम लोग ऐसे आए थे घूमने. सो इट वाज काइंड ऑफ अ डे विद द किड्स, है ना. तो अभी वॉक पे जाएंगे. लेट्स सी, वी आर प्लानिंग टू गो फॉर अ मूवी. आई डोंट नो होगा कि नहीं होगा, बट अभी तो चौरास्ता में है. वेदर इज परफेक्ट. ओए ओए, नो प्लेइंग हियर. आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइस, हाँ, इफ यू प्ले हियर नेक्स्ट टाइम खतो खेलेंगे मैदा. सो द वेदर इज वेरी नाइस.
They repaired it.
और हम लोग घूम रहे हैं चौरास्ता में. It is very nice actually. So beautiful. Nice. हाँ, इन लोगों का खेल शुरू है. Lot of people. कोई बात नहीं. This is how the weather is. Lot of tourists. This is the exercise.
क्या बस तो
itu the daring boy. And here is Ishila. Kitzenla. His name is also Kitzenla, जो रेड में है ना, इसका नाम भी Kitzenla है. दो Kitzenla है हमारे आसपास. अभी I'm done. Enthusiast.
I lift it up with one hand only. I lift it only one hand. You want to see? Nice.
And the t-shirt is all dirty. One hand, liar.
Move from here to there.
Do it again. Good kids. Oh wow, nice. Ngon thử try.
That time I did some. He's taken.
Ngon thử trying.
I'll try. Remember Shibu when you...
किसी बोल रहा है ये बहुत अच्छे से कर सकता है वो. ए आइले. Kids are so impressed. Darjeeling का view. Such a beautiful place it is, I swear. India. Yalla. Okay. So, catches. Mama. तो चढ़ के आना पड़ा. Okay. So this is Machan Tea Bar Cafe. It's the first time we are here. Let's go. Is there a place to sit? This is how it is. Yeah, let's sit. Anywhere. Okay. Cheers, Dom.
You listen. Something that. Okay, cheers. One. Let's say all beer.
5 lane, the first.
You also ordered?
Yes.
How? Mix it first. Mix it. Oh, cheers. Cheers. Oh, cheers.
Oh, guys, cheers to that.
Cheers.
But it did check it out.
Sorry, my bad. Cheers. It's very good. It's so sweet.
Nice.
So sweet.
Oh wow, fish ice is very nice. The best I think I've had abhi tak hai na? We've tried it so many places. What do you think, Shibu?
10 out of 10. Shibu? I like it very. I thought you were showing the camera to you. I liked it very much, but
Wait, tell me. He's telling his review.
too small.
The size is small. Not again, how's it?
I did not like this part.
The fish. Shibu, how do you find it?
Lovely 10 out of 10.
Next is the peri peri fries. Oh wow, it looks yummy.
I feel good, right? Mama.
How's it?
Everything tastes good.
Good.
Good, no? But don't use the ketchup.
I also make like this at home, no?
I got the biggest fry. I got the biggest fry.
I do, right? This guy is a liar. Okay, so the ramen.
Oh, you didn't have to come here, no.
No.
Now we will share it.
Wow.
You don't have to see. Oh, that good.
Cheese.
Not cheese, fried cheese. One. I will give you some.
What is that? Dinesh cheese.
Then you have salad. Now I get the cheese. I tried the cheese. How is it spicy?
No. Pesto. So this is a pesto fafle pasta for me.
Can I try?
Yeah, I'll try.
What the hell? It doesn't look like that. It's like candy shape. What is it?
Fafle le lo.
So, let me test one. Good. Kimchi. That's kimchi. You can eat that. Here is how. What's this one? What's that? I leave it.
Okay, guys.
We're full, guys.
This is barbecue wing.
How do you eat so much, right? I need this. It's sweet. Yeah, it's sweet and spicy.
Very fresh.
It's not even spicy.
Oh wow. How's it, baby?
10 out of 10.
Machan. How is it? Shibu?
Oh,
Aha.
Already my juice or something.
Juice ko. Katuke.
Oreo shake andela. Oreo shake.
Shake tunge. Sampo tunge. Kaya nga jogo la. Adidi dilla.
Go to try the Oreo shake.
You sure? How is
Okay,
it?
guys. This is the best chicken I've ever eaten. Better than those.
What did you say?
I bet this is not better than that.
अभी बोल रहा था better than my chicken wings.
मम्मी झूठ कैसी है? हाँ.
Wipe your nose first. Konja.
Copyright. Ma'am. I think the hatching is good.
Okay, guys.
Now, cheers. Cheers.
Cheers, cheers, guys.
Shiva and me. Now,
Catches ngon la cheers to the heart again. Okay, so everyone is having Oreo shake now.
first round.
Okay, guys, now time for movie. So हम आए हैं यहाँ War 2 देखने. War 2. War 2. Panchura. How is the movie?
Nice.
या कुछ नहीं लगा. Very nice, ना?
Very nice.
ऐसा है ना, ज़्यादा लॉजिक मत ढूंढे तो बहुत बढ़िया है पिक्चर, है ना? अब प्लेन के ऊपर कौन फाइट करता है या ट्रेन के ऊपर, वो भी फास्ट ट्रेन के ऊपर, बट लॉजिक रख के अगर देखो तो ना बढ़िया मूवी है. इंटरवल हुआ है अभी. Let's see.
$200 out of 10. 1 billion out of 10.
I think it's the first movie खिजुलाल ने enjoy किया. नहीं तो ये movies नहीं देखता है, सिर्फ पॉपकॉर्न खाने आता है. Okay, वहाँ था ये. Movie कैसा था?
अच्छा था.
अच्छा लगा? शिवला तो लास्ट में सो गया क्या? इशला? हाँ? Good, only good. Ambo, kya khande yakbudu wanda. Ambo, see? Everything's closed. Okay guys, so I think आज का vlog यहीं पे end करती हूँ. And I hope to see you guys very soon. Okay? See you. Bye bye. Good night.